This is kind of cool. Oh, look. Gone, be gone.
Be gone, fuck!
So, last week's devlog ended on an interesting note. Since then, I've really just been sitting in a dark hole of despair, really. There didn't look like there was a way out. Then out of nowhere, a bright light, started shining in my eyes. And that light took my hand, and it guided me along. And that light's name was Mart Lade. So, I didn't know. I put out a cry for help on the last video. And I honestly didn't think anything would happen. But something did. Mart Lade reached out, and we, hooked up on Discord and started talking about the project he's working on right now and how it's very similar to mine and how he kind of pulled off what I was trying to do last video using the rule tile, which I knew, but I just didn't think it would be useful for interactable objects. But he thinks from his experimentation that it will work. So with that, I'm just gonna delete my whole project and restart. Just kidding. I'm gonna delete the stuff that I did last week, even though at the end of the last video I talked about functionality and how it's so important and all this, and how I'm just solely focusing on functionality. Trick ya suckers. I am actually gonna go back and try to implement the rule tile with both the interactables, the interactable layer, and the ground layer. Let's see what happens, I guess. Dude, I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna give it a college try. That's all I can do, really. So the rule tile will automatically switch out sprites according to rules that you set up. So this map will automatically turn into this using the rule tile. And this is what I was trying to implement last week, but Unity does it way better than me, obviously. It's been about, I don't know, 30 or 40 minutes, and I finally got the rule tile imported into the game. Oh! Oh my lord! Oh, no way. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at this. This is nuts. You know how I ranted for 4 minutes in the last video about how I was only going to be implementing things that added game functionality? Tricked ya. I tricked ya. I tricked ya. And that's all on Martin. That's all Martin for you. So, go Martin! Woo! So to refactor, all the sprites are going to be stored in the tile map, and all the game logic is going to be in a 2D array. So now I don't have to spawn a game object for every single mountain tile I want, which should improve performance. 20 minutes to refactor everything. What are the odds that it works? Let's go. We're right back to where we were at. This is kind of cool. Oh, look. Gone. Be gone. Huh. I don't know what it's doing, honestly. 0. Wow. Who does that? Why would this be set at 0? Damn, bruh. Yeah, buddy. The highlight system is back up and ready to go. All I did was set the color. Not bad. Let's go, dude. Well, that's going to be it for this week's devlog. I refactored everything using Martin's implementation. He basically guided this blind little dog down the road. Pretty G. So if you see something that you think I could be doing better, let me know in the comments, because it is possible for me to change, as we've seen this week in this week's episode. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend, and maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.